Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm presenting my paper, The Measurement of Knowledge in Knowledge Graph. So Knowledge Graph has emerged as a comprehensive tool to enable knowledge discovery. Knowledge representation learning learns knowledge graph embeddings, which are extremely useful feature out input for a wide of different prediction and graph analytics tasks. So due to the diverse and subject nature of knowledge graph, graph evaluation becomes an important and open problem. Existing evaluation methods are often based on case studies or downstream tasks like information retrieval and question answering system, which is either lack general reliability or hard to implement. To address the challenge involved, we propose three direct metrics for the knowledge graph: the K-score, the I-score, and the C-score, derived from the science of science, information theory, and the causality perspective, respectively. We propose a human-centered approach to evaluate the effectiveness of the metrics. Through a pilot study, we share insights on the complication of human-centered evaluation and motivated future work.